Let me show you how to make this delicious Mediterranean chicken and vegetable bake. Let's get to cooking. This is everything that you're going to need to make this delicious meal. I've included the full recipe at the end of this video. Start out by preheating your oven at 400 degrees. Chop 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Next, you're going to slice 1 zucchini. I quartered it here. Check out these knife skills. Cut 1 red onion into wedges, and then cut 1 bell pepper into cubes, just like this. Look at that amazing color. Slice 2 cups of grape tomatoes. Have you ever seen it done like this? Add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and then stir. Add your pepper and add your salt. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of dried thyme and 1 tablespoon of oregano and mix that well. Next, you're going to arrange 4 chicken breasts in a 13 by 9 inch Pyrex dish. Surround them with the vegetable mixture. Pour any leftover oil mixture from the bowl over the chicken. Don't leave anything in that bowl. Doesn't this look simply amazing? I covered mine with foil so that it would thoroughly cook the chicken. And this is what it would look like after cooking for 35 minutes. About 5 minutes before it's done, add a 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese. Let this dish rest for a short time and then garnish with fresh parsley. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave some suggestions of some more of my videos that I've made, so check them out. Make sure that you like this video, that you subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals. If you'd like to see more healthy recipes like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, where you eat great and lose weight.